Kero mwaka tariki 5 Mutinyo kabere nigo ritkorere ryo gukingira ugukoro gusaruka umwana umunyaruka ono nigebyombe obviously kubwatirane county ya Kisii asizkuri yo boroso ya Kongo eryo gusegeta abana amana bamenshi cinjira cyo gukora ibikoro ibyo byo gusara umwana umunyaruka korengana no mu director o youth gender and social services Douglas Arege nigatebire serikali ya county ya Kisii nigegendetse kubwatirane byombe eryo kweneke buno umwana umunyaruka tari guce gusarwa asabo igabisiyo mu women rep bane kibuna kero erusani goma bwatemero bere asbawasemi abana abanyaruka igoro ryo gwetanga kuri ubusaruko.
As the county government of Kisii, we are working towards zero tolerance of female genital mutilation, and as a government we've had 3 policies in place that are working towards protecting the girl child. One of the policies is the child protection and welfare policy. We also have the gender policy and the youth policy. Soon we are working on the social protection policy, and what we believe is that these policies, when in place, will be able to support the government and the other stakeholders to work towards promoting rights and the welfare of the child, and especially towards eliminating female genital mutilation in Kisii. Remember, the UN and the government has committed towards 2030 agenda of eliminating female genital mutilation. We have 7 years as Kisii and Kenya to eliminate female genital mutilation within our communities.
During our August and December holidays, we usually conduct anti-FGM campaigns where we organize booty camps for our girls from all the 9 sub-counties. It is a collective effort to try and fight this vice from the county and from the country.
Na service yomo county commissioner nigo baene kiribuna nigo bakubwatira n'abagambi gati abanda bangire kweni kibuna ndobwensi ugutuka ka usaro mwana manyaruka na imakirwe tambo kirege tinde karengana nerichiko.
We, as the government, we have officers on the ground, the chiefs, assistant chief, they do attend barazas, and we monitor with community policing. We monitoring to ensure that any person who is perpetrating the vice is arrested and necessary action is taken against him.
We have started this project since 2004, and we have protected 40,000 girls.
As chinga kicho nigegatiye chinjaratiri chibwenderete kubwati wa chinga kibabo semya abana banyaruka igoro yo gwetanga kurogo saru asebo igoba ene kiribuna wikerabona iganige kerengo kibusaru mwana manyaruka kerase 52 igoro yemia.
Secrecy. We are doing it as top secret, and because we are conducting it under the cover of the dark, the world out there does not even know. It only becomes alarming when the statistics come out that now our girls, a good number are being cut. But if you ask anybody, even among us, those who are standing here, if you ask them, has your daughter been cut? They'll say no. And yet the statistics is at 77%. Who is this who is cutting girls?
Enchereyemo yo kwendekinga ogusara omwana munyarukango gakoro moero negolitsiko rero ibombe kurase county ya Kisii nabo igo imense ya Kenya amene kyombe kurachinse mu kiri cyambuso cyo beso kire ryo kwegeria abanenchi kurachinse mechiga kwendekinga ngo korabale ogusara ku mwana umunyarukakoro egeti yeskuru yo boroso ya Nyangongo gochoka mebunge ya kitutu cya South County ya Kisii ku reporter Oyo Minto TV Tetariana Petrol Machin.